Hey everyone, it's Monsi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a vegan lasagna. The reason I'm making lasagna is because I'm making some for my parents tonight, but I don't really eat beef or cheese or any animal stuff. I really don't like eating it. So I decided to make a vegan one for myself, and I decided to show you guys along. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm also going to make some vegan garlic bread, and it's just some French bread from Walmart. I ended up looking at the ingredients and I couldn't really find any animal ingredients, but I hope it is vegan. And I'm going to be using some vegan butter and some parsley. So let's just get started. Okay, so for this you're going to need a lasagna pan, some lasagna noodles, some spaghetti sauce, a block of tofu, some cheese, some gardein, and I was actually going to use spinach for this. And it's not in the fridge, so I don't know if somebody used it all or if it got thrown out, but that was just a waste, and I wish I would have realized it earlier, but it was in the fridge yesterday, so I don't know what happened to it, but let's get started. Okay, you want to begin by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so then you just want to cook it to, according what the package says, mine said to just bring it to a boil and then stir occasionally. The noodles are actually still really hard. I don't know if you could hear that, like, they're making noise when I touch it. But I'm just gonna boil some and then get started with the lasagna. Okay, so my next step is to just pour the sauce into the pan and then just let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. And I'm actually gonna add the sauce and the beef, the gardein, and then let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. And I have the rest of the pasta cooking now. Okay, so as you could see, I've let it, sorry I burned myself. I've actually let it simmer here for a good 3 to 5 minutes. It's been like 4 minutes, I believe. And this is the part where you could start adding your tofu, or you could add your tofu once you have it onto the lasagna noodles. Okay, so I added the tofu while this was simmering. That's what all these little white pieces are. And then you're just gonna add it onto the pasta noodles. And then you just want to add the cheese and then the spinach, or you could do the spinach and then the cheese, but the spinach is optional. Okay, and then you just want to grate the cheese on here. This is the cheese that I'm using. It's actually, this is the cheese I'm using. Yeah, sorry about that, couldn't find the camera. And then after you've applied the cheese, and these noodles got stuck together, sorry about that. Then you just want to apply your other layer, your next layer. And then repeat that process, so just add the beef and then the cheese and repeat the process until it's complete. Okay, and then once you have your lasagna complete, mine took about 3 layers, then you're just going to wrap it up in aluminum foil and bake it for 30 minutes. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes. I took it out of the oven already and I took out the foil. And here it is. I think it looks amazing. I can't wait to try it. I think this looks amazing. And I've made this before, but I don't really make it that often. Okay, so for the garlic bread, you're going to need your loaf of bread, or your slices, your butter. I'm actually using vegan butter. Yep, it's vegan. Some parsley. I recommend using fresh parsley, but I couldn't find any at Walmart. And then some garlic salt or a garlic clove. I'm actually going to use both, or three garlic cloves, but I'm using 1 and some garlic salt because I love garlic. And then a baking sheet aligned with some aluminum foil. And I actually started cutting them up into slices already. And I'm actually going to do the entire loaf. So then you want to melt this in the microwave for about 30 seconds and dump the bread in there and let it soak up some of the melted butter. Well, this only literally lasted me for like 2 slices. I'm gonna just let it soak and then place it onto the tray. And I actually got more slices from the loaf. Okay, so I sliced up all the bread. This is how many slices I got. I actually got a little bit more, but they didn't all fit into the tray. So you're just gonna take your slice of bread and let it soak some of the some of the butter and then turn it around and let it soak up on the other side as well. Just gonna turn it around on here so it soaks up as much as the butter as it can. And I think that looks pretty good. And then just place it onto the tray. And you want to preheat, for this you want to preheat your oven on to 350 and then bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes. I took it out of the oven already and I took out the foil. And here it is. I think it looks amazing. I can't wait to try it. I think this looks amazing. And I've made this before, but I don't really make it that often. Okay, and this is how it turned out. The bread was actually a lot soggier than I expected. I think it's because I added too much butter. Like when I bit into it, the butter was just dripping all over and that was really gross. But the texture came out pretty good. It's really crunchy. And I have it sliced like this. It's actually really, really good. I actually recommend you make this if you love lasagna. Okay, so that was the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you loved this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And I will make more cooking videos if you guys would like. I actually have a recipe for a chicken noodle soup. Well, quote, chicken. It doesn't contain actual bird chicken, but the vegan chicken substitute. I don't really want to do any meat cooking videos because I really don't like eating meat, just like I said. If I can avoid eating it, I will, but I don't eat it. Like, if someone's cooking something meaty, I'll make something for myself. And I definitely want to make a few more summer videos. And now that I'm uploading twice a week, next week I definitely want to do a mango recipe or a few ways to eat mangoes. But I definitely want to start with my back to school videos as soon as I can. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.